Hi guys, welcome to Grafting Dragon Fruits. It's Richard here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to do a cleft graft. Some people call it the L graft, but here's one that's already done. You guys are wondering, what is a cleft graft? What is an L-shaped cut graft? Basically, it's when you use a rootstock, you split it straight down the middle, your plant material is going to be cut into an L, and you just wedge it in there and tape it, and this is what you get. You get a growth. And here's a new one growing. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate that over here. Today we're going to do a Pelora. This is the Pelora Yellow Ecuador dragon fruit, and we're going to use a purple stalk that I had laying around. So all I have with me is a bag, some tape to secure it down, and a knife so then I get my cutting done. Okay, so let's get started. First, I'm just going to take some of this and then do my L-shaped cut. So I'm gonna go straight here. Okay. And this is where I'm gonna just cut an L straight down. Okay. And you wanna get about, a quarter of it right down the cambium layer. Make sure to be careful. So you look closely, that's the cambium layer right there. And we're gonna want to get that onto this cambium layer right here. So we're gonna split that right down the middle and match that together. But first, before I do that, I'm gonna shave a little bit off in the back, like this. Just like that. So that way, that part can heal together once you wedge it in. Okay, that looks about good. Just a little bit more that I would like to get. Okay. I'm gonna leave that aside. Actually, we're gonna measure how far we want to go down. So we're looking about there. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna match it together. You see how this side is the back side, this side is the back side, front. We're gonna want to go in that direction, okay? Okay, go. You're gonna go straight down, right into the middle. Okay, and that looks about like where I want to be. Now you see it's split, like right in the quarter of the cambium layer. We're gonna take this guy right here, shove it right in. Make sure you're matching the cambium layers together. Just like that. So I'm wedging it in. Okay. And this is where your tape's gonna go in handy. You're gonna want to get that pretty locked in there tight. So let's wrap that around with some tape. So I'm gonna press that together, bring some of that, pull it, just like that, and go around. And there you have it. So what I would do is I would take some more tape, split it in half, and then right here, you're gonna wanna pull that down so that way it doesn't lift back up. You're gonna do to the other side. And there you have it. That is a cleft L cut shaped graft. What I recommend doing is you're gonna take a bag. I use Ziploc bags that are long, so they're convenient for me. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put a bag over it, just like that. I normally would use some string, but I don't have any, so I have tape laying around. So I'm just gonna make it convenient for me. We're gonna put it in like that. Get some tape. And voila, you are done. What you're gonna wanna do with this is you're gonna keep it in the shade for about 3 to 5 days with the bag on. You're gonna check it out, see how it's doing. About the 5th day, just to be safe, we're gonna wanna take this bag off. You can still wanna leave it in the shade for an additional 5 to 7 days. So I would say about 15 days total in shade. Then you can start introducing it into the sun and see what happens from there. If everything works out successfully and you do a very good job, just like how I did it, you'll get the same results as this one. So, good luck. If you guys have any questions about any of this process, leave a comment below and please subscribe. Thank you.